Okay guys, so I am back with my second review for this Elva hair, and things have changed.
I think so. Creo que sí, pero no sé.
La persona no la ponió la mano arriba.
One second chance, I let go them niggas wrong. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a South Somali.
How long has it been? It's been like a month since I've been wearing this hair, because I started wearing it when I was like going away for DR, when I went on vacation. And I'm not gonna lie to you, I messed it up. Like I would get it wet and then like not twist it or braid it or whatever before going to sleep, and I would just sleep on it flat like this, and then like it would be tangled at like the nape. But that actually only happened one day, now that I think of it. Like I only did that one day, but it just matted the whole back. It was absolutely disgusting. So much hair came out when I had to like comb it out. I combed it out like underwater, and it just like, so much hair came out. It was so bad. And now the texture is just not as soft as it used to be. It's not as soft. Like, it's super puffy even when I don't want it to be. Like, I would wet it, like soak it. Like this morning I soaked it. I'm gonna see. This morning I soaked it and it just gets so big, and I don't want it like this. Like, look at this. I don't want it this big. I look kind of crazy. And it's like, it's a whole bunch of bigness like all here, but then like the ends are so thin. So after I like had combed out the huge mats in the back, it was really like thin at like the bottom or whatever. Like it looked like it had gotten much thinner, and I wasn't wearing it for a while because I wanted my edges to breathe anyway. But like now I'm back to wearing it, and I was like, oh, actually it is full. But like it's just big right here, just big, because it gets very tangled. So it makes it look like it's just full. I mean, technically it is full, but it's just like, look at this. It's just lifeless. It's just like, you can tell it's all, look at this. Look how it sticks out like that. It's not flowing, it's just a whole bunch of tangles. Look at this. Like, I can't even right now. Okay? And all this under here, I gotta take this off to show you. All this under here is like just a ball of tangledness. It's just not lit. It's not lit, guys. I'm like struggling to put my fingers through here. This thing sheds. It sheds like a mother. Okay? Like, I don't even know what I'm looking like right now. Let me show you guys what it's looking like. Matter of fact, okay? Let me show you what it's looking like. Okay, so in the last video, oh my god, this looks crazy. In the last video, I talked about how the wig was too big for me, so I ended up putting an elastic band to make it fit me a little bit better. But the point of this, look at the disaster that I call hair. Like, this is all, like, I don't even know what to call this. This is just a bunch of tangledness. And granted, it's at the nape, but like, what is this? It's just not lit. Wow. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this. Look at. Oh my god. Wow, this is so stiff and just crazy looking. Look at this. Yo, if my dad saw this, he would be appalled. My dad hates fake hair, and he especially hates when fake hair looks fake. Wow. Okay, so I put on my hood because I was looking really crazy. But so, yeah, this hair is not looking very good after a month. Again, it's partially my fault, but I also feel like it should be able to bounce back, like, to some type of level. Like, I feel like it hasn't bounced back. It hasn't looked even half as good as it used to look. I guess it does kind of, but it's just that it's just too puffy for my liking. But so I'm actually gonna cut it short because I can't deal with like the really thin ends and like the puffy top. Like, it just looks terrible. So I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna try to like thin it out with like the razor comb or whatever. And then I guess update you guys. Again, I don't know, man. I'm trying to make it work because I'm not trying to do my hair this week. I am like busy and drowned in schoolwork right now. I don't have time for hair. So I need to just get this wig on my head and make it work. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to figure it out, make it look nice again some way, somehow, while I watch my show, and I will get back to you guys. So I just got home and I combed it out on my paddle brush. Can somebody just help me? Because clearly something is wrong. I need help. I need something. I don't know, man. I just don't know. I tried to cut it in layers, and to me, it just looks dumber. Oh my god. Oh my god.